So I've been working on a little tool to make it easier to tell when comments have gotten out of date. Like for instance, if someone were to come in here and change this to a divide, well then this is wrong. It's no longer here's the multiplication, here's actually the division. And also then this is wrong and yada, yada, yada. You can't really trust comments too much. And with my tool, you still can't, trust them. The code is what the code is, but the comment is just maybe what was going through the programmer's head when they were writing it. But as you can tell, that this is just now completely wrong. So I'm going to undo that change for now. And the way I've chosen to do this is just by slapping a CRC on it. So like if anything changes in here, then it will no longer match the CRC. And then you can tell, hey, these two no longer match. Something's wrong here. And so I made a little tool. Here's the README or the help or whatever. You can read it if you want. But basically, I'm just going to go ahead and it's not copied. Copy. There we go. I'm going to create an inline comment CRC. So that'll be on this guy, and it'll be in this file, and it'll be at line 14. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter again, and added this little thing right here, the CRC. And so now if I were to check it, go ahead and just conduct a verify. All right, and it verified, and it says everything's okay, and of course nothing here changed. But if I were to come in here and change it, and then run the verify again, you can tell that it has failed the CRC. And also, once it has failed, it would never unfail itself. So if I were to come back here and undo that, it's still going to remain failed until you renew it. I'm not sure if that's what I like or not, but that seems to be the best way from what I can see for right now. And also, you can do the same for block comments. Okay, so this is an inline comment. This is the describer. This is the describee. And if either of those changes, then it will fail the CRC. This is the describer for an block comment, multi-line comment, and this is the describee for the that is being described by the describer. And we can also do the same for this. So like if any of these lines change. So I'm going to go ahead and just undo to this part where I haven't changed anything. And I'm going to all right, so it just, and the command I did was create block comment CRC. So that's our block comment CRC. And now if anything in here changes, like if I do result plus equals 1, then if I were to verify, we're going to go ahead and that's going to go ahead and get failed. And then same with this, I'll just go ahead and induce that failure again. There, now they're both failed. And of course, if this were to change and then I were to check the CRC, both of these would fail anyways, but I just want to show that it's independent. So let's say we go in and we change our comments so that they make sense now. And we're like, okay, we actually did want this. So this is the division. And this no longer is divide. Where multiply, it is divides. Divides two numbers and increments by 1. Come on, there we go. And increment by 1. So now this comment is correct, and this comment is correct. And you don't have to do it in any particular order. But I'm just going to go ahead and say that line 14 now has the correct comment. And so now I can renew it, and it will go ahead and renew it. And then I can also do the same for the block comment, and it will go ahead and renew that too. And so now this is just a way of saying I agree that whatever's in here, the comments line up, or the comments make sense. So if someone were to come in here and change stuff, then Like if someone in the future comes in, and just adds something, then we'll be able to tell the comments no longer make sense. It's just a cool little tool. I think it's pretty neat. I might use it, I might not. Yeah, that's my CRC comment CRC tool.